kalupa po, ning penga kumi kapatamu karela kapatad, lawen talang eni, isabyan talang eni. Nanula ba rin gagawa ng costumes and designs ng Santino Rivera? And what, as you said, sets him apart from other designers? Ayan, kapatad. Sasabyan mo din.
You started, yung first major show mo is with the bench, tang theme yan mga something yan. So, when you speak of headdresses for Russia, talagang researching kailangan.
Yeah.
Eka pwedeng mamanula. So, what naning research ang gawa mo for the Russian headpieces? Kay bench?
Itong friend ko keng bench designer yarin na yaring mag-design kari pokwang. So, yung may way ka ako na ini kailangan meng edit, ini akakit ya pa na marinat ya. So, karin ko more on may linis gawa.
Nanin pa, ini kapatid kasi kini mo akitreta talagang seryoso kayong craft nanin pa karandam when someone, an established designer tells you na marinat ya i-edit me. Kasi nung kapatid, nung ringaliwa, ikaw, were you the type na mas buri mo itang sasabyanda na kulang ini, sobra yan, marinat ya, ayusan me kini?
Mas masanting niya siguro as a start king career
Budding
and
designer.
Bala mo hobbies ko, mas masanting siguro ang daramdaman karetang mas magaling ka
the
experts na makanyala ring sasabihan rather than potang makagulot da ka rin na panis siguro.
So you took that talaga as a challenge pong mas may motivate ka na talagang samasnan mo la.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I believe, Santi, na medyo mag-expand na ngayon in the type of designs that you do and the type of clients na si-serve mo. Okay, for example, I see here a court jester, kapatad, and then, ating kungikit ka rin na metong hat na taken from
Puss in Boots.
Alice in Wonderland. Okay? So then, sabi natin, mama, mo pwedeng hulan din Eka pwedeng manula-nula ang makanya niya itsura yan.
Including the color.
Okay. So, is research part of your profession na gagawan mo ngayon?
Yes, ma'am. Kasi alika mo pwedeng, ini breaking violet yan, which is in original na is yellow or gold. Then, i-research ya kung makanano ya, bakit makanini may gawa itang hat, or bakit nanong iraya.
Yan. For example, atin sinabi ko, I want motif ko, the Inca Indians. O, di ba? So, kailangan, pwedeng ulaan ta kapatan. Pakibalwan mo.
Google.
Google it. Deng Inca,
Ren colors na po, mahalagala rin.
Or Egyptian yung buri kong motif ken ka na, kung kasal, alam mo makanya.
Di kay Cleopatra.
So, those things,
Yes,
those
ma'am.
should not be taken for granted by a costume designer like you, di ba?
Dapat balo at least kung aliman itang buong history na, at least itang part na ning history na bakit may ginyang makanya.
Apan silang kumburin ka ring wings mo. Siguro magagrila ka na ako ring mapanalda yung pageant. Ring wings mo, even if makayarap in wing keng audience, flat, at the same time, tipid keng detalye,
siguro kung apansin nyo rin, at saka king gulot, malinis. Malinis. Ito po kasing aburi kong ipalwal ka rin costumes designer na hindi lang yung harap yung tinitignan sa stage. Siyempre, alin naman po lumakad yung model na paharap yan nga.
Muro yung pagulot
na. Magbalik yan.
Ginulot siya makanyan. And more than that, kapatid, and I believe most important, itapin, lightweight.
What's the technique ka rin wings mo? Kasi, ko po talagang pamit bitang ko, nandun magtaka ako at bala ako, uning bulky lang, mabait lang, pero mayan lang. Nung sigurong ansyan pang 23-inch mo waistline in rumampang kay Bikini Open, nagyun na yung irampa.
Which reminds us, of course, kapatid, ketang
Victoria's Secret fashion show, di ba, kapatid?
I cannot imagine, kapatid, nung mga nanya lumakad yung meto nga makabikini, putang kayas, kabayat, yung kekang wings,
siguro po kayong proper forming na kareng materials na gagamitan, which is dapat, balo mo nala kung no ka rin mo kukonan. Kasi atin pa rin, for example, kareng wire, masakit pa rin man to na porket pare-pareho lang size, alila pa rin pare-pareho flexibility.
So talagang kailangan, you have to really search for the best materials.
Na
Aliwanong nanong may available.
And speaking of searching for the right materials, kayo ba kakukulangan, Kene? Are you able to find the materials that you need? Kene, kay katamo?
So far, karen pong gagawa ko, akakit ko naman, Kenny.
That's good. I want to pursue itang sinabi mong piracy of designs, kapatad. Kasi ini maragula ini maragula issue ini when it comes to designers, to especially costume designers. How can you ensure na rin kang designs rin, which I believe are original designs, your original designs, okay? Do a kopya. Kasi naman pwedeng definitely, ginamit do rin ka rin public events. Expose
kare mo cellphone, camera, post, Facebook.
Atina bang in place, kapatad, rules or whatever na to protect the designs of a designer like you?
Siguro po kako, so far, ali ko pa issue ita. So, kung breeding kopyan, okay mo, flattered ko. So, bahala na lang mo na kopyan de. Siguro, okay mo siguro.
Kaya mo sasabihan na original
Ayun,
ya karela, ne?
And of course, kapatad, at yung pamoritang, maybe the design is similar to yours, pero sabi mo itang technique.
Details, techniques.
O ito siguro yung, pirate kayo.
I'm sure after this episode, dakala interesadong events coordinator, even ring at yung ring schools, are you open to sponsoring at friendly prices? Kunwari at ilang pageant yung malating eskwela and all na pag-yuit ang pang-presyo mong pang-bench.
Okay lang siguro. Kasi King Manila, atin ko rin like University of Makati. So atin lang certain price na ako may provide ngan king buong costumes da king play da.
They just give you the budget. O ini mo yung agyume, tell us what you can deliver.
For the record, alim mo po pageants and events including stage play, theater productions. Pwede po kasi agyo na lang even lalo na siguro ang costume pieces po pang
itong last ko was the float king Royal International. So, ginawa kong float. Though simple
Pati floats, gagawa ka.
Ratang floats like flowers, ratang mga good flowers.
Diba? So, mo costumes and floats. So, talagang pang festival yan naman, kapatid.
Are you here to stay in Pampanga? Or do we see you venturing to Singapore again or to Manila or makanano so far na in game plan?
Short range plan.
So far siguro, Kenny ko pa po siguro talagang Pilipinas. Though kung ma-invite ko other country or bakit ali, pero bisa ako mag-provide karelang costumes like Disneyland, yan yung pangarap ko eh. So bala mo akong kay ka rin costumes na Kenila pa rin gawan ko.
Okay. Corporate events na mangailangan na costumes. For example, kapatad
usually
anniversaries,
Christmas
parties,
marami na.
Halloween parties.
Pero
lalapitan na ka.
Yes, ma'am. Most probably Manila la po.
Most of your clients are in Manila kahit na base ka, Kenny.
So, it's either padala ko lang rin costumes, bus to bus, kaya ba't di ka pandalaking bus?
Wow.
So, online ordering, makaninimburi ko. But, deliver ko from bus, then, in payment na namus was bank to bank.
Wow. Okay, nano pa yung pangarap ng Santino
Aside from
Rivera?
providing the costumes for the theme parks, either kay Pilipinas or liwang bansa, Walt Disney lalo na.
Sana nga. So far, ita pa, Disneyland, yung target ko, kay Singapore, yung venture ko Singapore. Though wala akong masyadong akasabi kay karing
right people
or mag-working marketing connection.
Alapa.
Okay.
So, dapat kapatad, kaya niya pa mo Pampanga. Professionalize, ining industry, if you can call it the industry of costume designing.
And make your presence felt.
Yes. And then, of course, open job opportunities to Kapampangans like you, di ba? Siyempre, kapatad, may ragul na Santino Rivera, mangailangan na kang manay, mangailangan na kang,
taga-dikit, taga-form.
Yes, tagagawa ka rin nanula rin, detang decors na, di ba? So far, atin nakamagobra mo?
Atin manahi, so, ring friends ko, sasawpla rin pa, Ched. Sobrang dakal.
Okay. Nako, I bet you, after this episode, mangailangan na kang dakal at magobra kaya ka. Uling,
Dakal ng kumake.
Dakal ng kumake ka. Karang
Bumaya na
events
ako ka rin next year.
Ayan, kinontrata na ng Mama Ray.
For free.
Ang sasabihan po, tarugo balada for free ang...
Ay, hindi po. Kakuya mo po for free. So, dakal na salamat.
Maybe, where can they get in touch with him? O tano mga tim nga may kapanalbi, interesado lang, wow, magaling lang gagawin designs ini. How do they get in touch with you?
It's either Facebook or mobile number. Yung Facebook ko, add yun na ako mo, Santino Rivera, Arts and Craft. So, ating kong fan page, kung buriyo kong akakwentuhan naman kayong Facebook, Santino Rivera.
Ayan.
Mobile number, okay. 0915-207-8338.
Ayan.
Okay, so
Naku,
for
dakal
all
na
your
fans.
costume and accessories needs for parties, events, festivals, fiestas, what
Pageants.
have you? Okay, call Santino Rivera.
Ayan. Dakala salamat at binuklat may ingke kayong bale at kinwentume ing BMO at balumi dakalya papuntalan ing meto nga Santino Rivera.
Thank you po. Thank you kayong pamagbisita, kayong malatiming bale.